Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where future machines, next-gen vehicles, and shocking engineering innovations come alive every single day. If you love powerful machines that redefine the meaning of strength, stability, and precision, then you're in the perfect place. So make sure you subscribe, because today we're diving into one of the most unbelievable engineering beasts arriving in 2026, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad. And trust me, this one is a complete game-changer for railroad construction and maintenance, the 2026. Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad isn't just a machine, it's a smart, hybrid, ultra-precise powerhouse designed to take on the toughest jobs on and off the tracks. This machine is built for two worlds, road and rail, and the way it switches between them is absolutely seamless. With the press of a button, the RE 25M goes from a road-running wheeled excavator to a fully stabilized, rail-mounted operational unit. This flexibility alone makes it one of the most highly demanded machines in upcoming railroad projects around the world. One of the biggest highlights is the new 2026 Litronic Control System. This upgraded technology brings insane levels of accuracy every movement of the boom. Every rotation, every lift is controlled with millimeter-level precision. Operators say it feels like the machine is reading their mind. Liebherr engineered the new system to reduce human error, increase performance speed, and make even long, complex shifts much more efficient. It's smoother, smarter, and far more responsive than older generations. Powering this monster is Liebherr's latest low-emission, high-efficiency engine. The RE 25M 2026 model comes with improved torque output, reduced fuel consumption, and a quieter overall performance. That means you get more digging force, faster cycle times, and less sound pollution around active rail sites. And because 2026 regulations demand cleaner operation, Liebherr has designed this machine to meet future environmental standards without sacrificing any power. It's strong, clean, and ready for tomorrow. But what makes the RE 25M truly iconic is its dual-mode mobility. The rail wheels lower automatically, locking into the tracks with perfect alignment. Once activated, the machine can travel smoothly along rail lines, even on uneven or challenging track sections. This ability allows crews to cover long distances quickly, perform maintenance from point to point, and handle emergency jobs without transporting multiple machines. It is versatility at its finest. The stability of the RE 25M 2026 is another mind-blowing improvement. The hydraulic outriggers and the redesigned rail guidance system keep the machine firmly planted, even when lifting heavy loads at awkward angles. The Litronic technology constantly adjusts hydraulic pressure, ensuring balance, safety, and flawless control. Whether it's lifting rails, clearing debris, repairing bridges, or installing sleepers, this machine delivers precise results every single time inside the cabin. Liebherr focused on comfort and operator health. Long shifts on rail projects can be exhausting, but the 2026 cabin changes everything. The seat is fully adjustable with vibration damping. The controls are positioned perfectly, and the visibility is outstanding thanks to new 360-degree camera integration. Air conditioning, noise reduction, and intelligent lighting turn the interior into a comfortable workspace no matter the weather or working conditions. Another impressive feature is the advanced safety assist system. The machine warns the operator of nearby obstacles, moving trains, or unsafe ground conditions. It even auto-adjusts the boom when detecting potential tipping risks. With railroad construction becoming more demanding, safety matters more than ever, and the RE 25M gives the operator full confidence. Maintenance is also easier than before. Liebherr has redesigned the engine compartment, added wider access panels, and integrated smart diagnostics. The machine constantly monitors its own systems, alerting the operator of fluid levels, filter status, or potential issues before they become major problems. This reduces downtime and saves companies thousands of dollars in repairs. What truly sets this machine apart for 2026 is its ability to replace multiple older machines by doing the job alone. Faster mobility, stronger lifting power, smarter control technology, better energy efficiency. and higher stability all combine to make the RE25M an unstoppable force in the railroad world. It speeds up construction, reduces labor requirements, and delivers extremely clean, smooth, and accurate results. For anyone interested in futuristic heavy machinery, the Liebherr RE25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is the perfect example of how engineering keeps evolving. It's the future of track maintenance, the future of multi-mode excavators, and the future of safe, intelligent, and high-performance railroad work. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Liebherr is continuously pushing boundaries, and machines like this show exactly where the industry is heading. Thanks for watching Daily Drives, where we bring you the most shocking machines, unbelievable engineering, and futuristic vehicles from around the world. If you enjoyed this deep look at the Liebherr RE25M Litronic Railroad 2026, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next upload. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay excited, and keep riding into the future.